Hey guys, welcome to another video of LBF tutorials. So before we get on to today's video, I just want to introduce a new bag that we purchased on Amazon. It's a Smile Drive camera bag. If you have a look at it, you can see we have a camera, we have place for the two lenses, the speed light, and all the other accessories that come along with the camera, like your chargers and your battery. So we're leaving a link in the description below, so if you're interested, please go and have a look. Yeah, so moving on to today's video, with me I have a Canon 700D EOS. And today I'm going to show you how to mount the lens. This is a 18 to 55mm kit lens. You can purchase that on your store. So without further ado, let's go and mount this. So first step, we are going to remove the camera lens cap. We rotate it. Then we take our kit lens, and we have a cap over here and we have a cap over here. So to mount it, we remove this cap, and if you look closer, we have a white dot on the lens and we have a white dot on the camera. So to mount this, align both the dots together and rotate it clockwise till you hear a click. When you hear the click, which means your lens is mounted properly. So after you mount the lens, so you can see there are these two options that you get. So one is a stabilizer option, and the other, AF and MF, is nothing but the focus option. AF stands for autofocus, MF stands for manual focus, and stabilizer, you can keep it on. That's better, because what the stabilizer does is, if there's a slight shake in your camera, it will stabilize the image, so it gives you the best output. And moving on to the autofocus and the manual focus, so if you are a beginner, you can use the autofocus. So what the autofocus does is, the camera automatically focuses on a particular object. But if you use a manual option, so you just slide it back, so now it's on manual focus. So with the manual focus, you can focus on what you really want to see. So for example, now if you have an object which is close by, you can focus only on that. Or if you want to focus on an object which is further away, you can focus on that with the help of the manual focus. So yeah, so if you can see, there are various different options on top of the camera as well, and you have a white dot beside that. So if you can see, the white dot says what option your camera is on. So if you look closely, the white dot is parallel to the A+ mode, which means you're on automatic mode. So what the automatic mode does is, based on the different lighting conditions and the different parameters, the camera decides whether to give you the flash or not. So for example, if you are in a low lighting condition and you're going to shoot a photo in a low lighting area with an automatic option, so you press the shutter button once, and what that does is, it will focus on the image automatically and your flashlight will come on, and when you press it the second time, you get the image taken and you have the output on the screen and on your camera. Okay, so once you're done taking photos and you want to put back your camera in the bag, so the first thing that you need to do is to unmount the lens. So to unmount the lens on this camera, there's a button option available next to the lens, so you need to press that and rotate the lens anti-clockwise again till the white dots align, and you can remove that and you can safely store your lens. And as soon as you remove that, you have to lock the camera lens so that dust doesn't go in and accumulates and spoils the sensors. Yeah, so in today's video we've seen how to mount the lens, how to unmount the lens, and use the autofocus and manual focus. So in our coming videos, we're going to give you a practical explanation of the various options. So until then, this is Garfield signing off on LBF tutorials, and please do subscribe and leave a message below in case if you have any queries or which camera model you want us to explain next. So until then, ta-da! This will switch off the flash. This again is a portrait mode. This is a scenery mode. Blah blah blah, that's wrong.